Okay guys, welcome back to Gashon TV. So as I promised last time, I'm going to show you my second withdrawal from this website. So you should watch this video up to the end. So for those who are new, let us pass through what is on the website. So you can check our last video. We talked about what's the website all about, what they do, their investment plans, and so on and so forth. So that is how the whole website looks. So if you want to register, you can go here and register with your name here. Register your name, then your username here, then your email address. You select your country, either Kenya, Rwanda or Uganda. So you enter your mobile number and the password. So there you're good to go. For those who haven't registered yet, there is a link in this video's description. You can check there and you register using that link so that we can enjoy some investments. It's really a good investment plan. So I've withdrawn this money and we are going to see how much they are going to give me today. Last time we withdrew 25,000 shillings. So let me log in and we continue. So I'll come here. I already have an account. I will log in from here. So guys, here is the balance I have, 103,500, and the investment 15,000. Yeah, then my total withdrawal last time 25,000. Then let us go here. This is where you invest from using mobile money or your balance. So here we withdraw from here. You make your withdrawal, you enter the amount. Then next there is my team. My team is here. Before I referred to this website. Then we go here to my earnings. This is the money I'm earning from this website. Return of investment and referral bonuses. So here you can see the investments I made and my withdrawal last time. So that is it. Let us go back and withdraw. I'm going to withdraw some money. Let us go here, withdraw, and enter the amount we are going to withdraw today. We are going to withdraw 100 and no, I'm going to withdraw 93,500 shillings. Yeah, because there are charges implied while withdrawing. So I'm going to withdraw this amount to the mobile money account. So you'll be seeing it will be on my mobile money account too. So here we go. You can see here I've withdrawn. The amount has come on my phone here. So I think you can see I withdraw 93,000 shillings and 500. Yeah, and that is my last message on my phone. So guys, if you want to try out, you can try out using the description link in the video description. The link is there. So subscribe to the channel so that whenever I get a paying website like this one, you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time, guys.